Hi guys, it's Avas from 20 Startups. Today I'm going to show you how to block an email address in Gmail. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to block an email address in Gmail. So let's get started. So guys, to block email address, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now type in search by gmail.com and press enter. Guys, here you can see our Gmail homepage. So simply open any email. So guys, for example, I'm going to open this email from Upwork. So in this page you can see three dots here. So simply click on three dots. Now here you can see the option of block Upwork. So simply click on block Upwork. Future message from Upwork, and this email address will be marked as spam. So click on block. So try to block another email address. Scroll down. So here you can see this email, Linktree. Now I'm going to block this email address. So simply you can see three dots. So click on three dots. Now in three dots you can see the option of block Linktree. So click on block Linktree. Click on block. So now here you can see written you have blocked no reply @Linktree. New message from this sender will be sent to spam. So if you want to unblock this, so here you can see the option of unblock sender. But if you want to move this to spam, so you can see the option of move to spam. So simply click on move to spam. So let's see what happened. So simply click on more. Now open spam. And here you can see Linktree is now moved to spam. So guys, here you can see we have blocked email address on Gmail. So you can also block email address on Gmail by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.